Good morning, everybody. Your old buddy Dwoodog here. It's almost 11 a.m. Wednesday, April 10th, I believe. And what are we doing? I don't know. We've got our RME ADI-2 FS remote control, and we're gonna change the battery in it. Battery's right on the bottom here. Okay, so get yourself a nice, relatively clean workspace. I'm going to grab my little green towel here. It's got a little puppy dog on it. We don't care about that. And get some brand new Energizer 2025 lithium batteries. Why are we changing this thing when it's brand new? I've only owned this thing a month or so. I've looked on the forums a few times, and it seems to be, I wouldn't say a common problem, but it seems to be an issue that the remote is just not transmitting well to the unit. Some people have said, the battery is already old when they got it. I measured it, it's exactly 3 volts. I'll go get the multimeter again. Some people have said that it's not making good contact inside the remote. You know, if it's not making contact, press down where it says RME to kind of like squash the plastic and get the contacts to connect better. But I'm going to go with the new battery route. Now the battery comes out the bottom here. There's a little plastic tang that you push towards the middle of the remote, and then you pull it out here. You should be able to use your fingernails. I've tried the other day to do it, and it wrecks my fingernails. So let's do it together. Let me reposition this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a couple of plastic trim tools that we've got at Canadian Tire. These are more for cars than they are for remote controls, but I've already opened it with these and it works. So pay attention. Put my glasses on. So we're going to push this with this one. I think we can do it. That's the only one we got, right? Okay. Yeah, maybe it was this one here. I think the biggest part was, how did I do this last time without so much problems? Can't remember. You have to use, sometimes you got to use your gut a bit. There we go. Okay. It's a little awkward. Just pry gently and you'll get it out. Okay. And then we've got our 2025 battery right here. Okay, let me grab my multimeter and we'll test these batteries. Okay. We've got the Klein multimeter. Set it to volts, DC, and what is our, let me zoom in on the on the readout for you. So this is the battery that comes with the unit. 3.1 volts, 3.106. Well, it's not dead by any means, but let's see what a brand new one is, if it makes any difference. 3.3. Definitely a difference. All right. Make sure the plus is up. Yeah, we're good. And slide it in. Okay. There we go. And we got the light. Yeah. I think we're good. I think we're BIB, back in business. Alright. No worse for wear. There you go. Alright. Okay. April 10th, 24. All right. Yep. Hard to hold the camera steady when it's this zoomed in. Okay guys, that's all I got for you today. It's about 11:15. Video only took about 15 minutes to make. Probably take about an hour to edit or some crap like that. I don't know, depends how much effort I put into it. But changing the battery on your RME ADI-2 FS remote, 2025 style battery. Remember, you're dealing with little plastic parts. Go easy when you're opening this thing up. You can damage the parts. If you broke the door or something like that, since the battery sits in the little tray, if you broke it, yeah, you'd really be screwed. I don't know what you'd do. So we'll leave it at that for now. Give her a like, give her a comment, subscribe. Tell me if your RME ADI FS2 remote worked good right out of the box. Mine did not. I had to press the button a lot of times before it worked. I did try the pushing down on the RME logo on the remote to get the contacts to work better. And I think it worked a bit better. I just ended up just putting a new battery in. These batteries are expensive. 2 batteries were like, I don't know what, $12 or something like that. What a ripoff for a couple of batteries. But yeah, anyways, thanks guys. Sayonara.